It is an important visit. We are seeing that President Putin coming here after 4 years for the annual summit, 23rd annual summit between India and Russia, has come with a delegation of 7 ministers, including the finance, defense ministers, central bank governor. The India-Russia forum will meet. The focus is a lot on the economic cooperation aspect. We expect that Indian exports to Russia will be given due attention, especially in areas that we have not explored before. Agricultural products, marine products, engineering goods, IT. There's talk of a urea plant being set up in Russia, collaboration on rare earths, technology transfer for our space program, civil nuclear energy cooperation. So this gamut of economic cooperation is very wide, and I think it's very encouraging that we are looking at our relations with Russia beyond the normal areas of energy and defense. Obviously, and of course there is a people-to-people element, because there is talk of a mobility agreement that we will sign that will enable Indian semi-skilled and skilled workers to work in Russia. That's good news for a lot of our young people who have the talent and capabilities. There is also the talk of that we will sign a reloss agreement, which is basically reciprocal exchange of logistic support, which will enable both sides to use their respective ports and airspace, for joint exercises, training, humanitarian efforts, etc. So it's a very wide canvas of cooperation that we are seeing. I think the talks will be held, today, and we are definitely looking at some very, very positive outcomes from the visit.
Some important defense deals also.
There is talk of the fact that we will orders for the remaining 2 S-400 systems that are to be supplied. The 2 systems, of course, will be supplied, but there is talk of orders for 4 more systems or 5 more systems. There's also talk of an S-500 collaboration. There is talk of Russia placing the Sukhoi the Su-57 at our disposal, which is a 5th generation aircraft, which is something that I think will upgrade our Air Force capabilities significantly. There are many other areas that are being talked about, but until things, the talks conclude and we see some outcomes, this is all speculation, and I'm only basing it on, sources that are, public in any case. Yeah.